By this we introduce you to understand the alternate dimensions and parallel universes and see easily how they are and how time stops in those dimensions, also, and understand relativity. See where the future is and where the past is and what they are. Learn about hyperspace in an easy and normal understanding like never written before. See the next step of modern astronomy and see how it gives us all the opportunity and gift to understand what we expected to know and see of the alternate dimensions, and see that next step of modern astronomy and understand easily what is the parallel universe and the vortex and hyperspace and how they can be understood. Know the place called the nothing. See and know the black atoms of black holes and the beginning of the universe in better theories than before, like a hypermassive black hole, maybe a kind of giant, as well as black galaxies at the end of the universe, which devour everything from the end of the universe, and then know the end of the universe as the end of the expansion, in that place called the nothing, as the end of the universe without materialization of atoms. I see how there is only universe in the expansion. Do not miss the opportunity to learn the alternate dimensions and what they are. Read Hyperspace Real-Time 2 and Real-Time 1 and learn quickly from hyperspace and how are the alternate dimensions in an understanding for the mind, normal linear, and see the parallel universes and what they really are in our celestial vault. See how the existentiality changes. See for the first time cataloged and separated orderly the parallel universes. See the end of the universe and the place called nothingness, and understand what it is. See how the bubble expands, there are only atoms, and how the end of the universe, a place called nothingness, is already there. Get to know the black atoms and what they are. See the sidereal layers and the alternate dimensions, and learn about the existential reality and how it changes in parallel universes. See where the future is located in the past and present simultaneously millions of years ago. In a temporal recording of the infinite matter, millions of years of parallel multi-universes that exist at the same sides but different times. See how empirical knowledge has escaped over the years and how to teach now with directed educational documentaries, and how in this volume they show us the next steps of modern astronomy and how there are parallel universes. See where exactly they're located. Just sent the first and last pages of our video links to buy the books, or on the internet you can write Hyperspread Real-Time 2 by John C. Robles or Real-Time 1 and it will be in the best bookstores. Electronic 2. You can read about geopolitics and see X99 1 and X99 2. Next, we introduce you to the quantum theories following.
Quantum alternate dimensional time models. Read the book Real Time. We are offering you today the simplest and understandable explanation of the parallel universes and the alternate dimensions in our modern knowledge, and we explain them in the book Real Time. We'll show you this video where we show models of universes and shows how will these universes be in models of alternate dimensions. In this case, we'll show you the interlaced rings models and is shown as a representation of an alternate universe in each ring. Since in each ring or slice there is a dimension or an alternate celestial vault, like in the orange theory from our author, but represented in rings, and each ring will be in a different time. Especially here, the rings creates the representation of an alternate universe different from each other, but they will be interlaced in the same space but in different time of polarization of atoms. We could travel through all the orange or through every ring without crashing with the other one, since there will only be the matter polarized and materialized of that dimension, and the specific temporal or dimensional value in each one, since every ring or universe are here but with different charges. And we could start to understand more deeply, like if every materialized dimension is practically a different extra cavity of different quarks and of different protons, neutrinos, since they will be activated by different charges. If you were seated and not charged with the correspondent charge of that ring of alternate dimension, you will fall in an endless void. Well, it's true. Those scientists were not wrong. Only perhaps we have to increase or decrease to other subatomic charge values of our bodies, and that only the scientists of the future will prove it by traveling to the infinite depths of time and alternate dimensions of positive and negative polarizations. Since in each ring or slice there is a dimension or an alternate celestial vault, like in the orange theory from our author, but represented in rings, and each ring will be in a different time. Quantum alternate dimensional time models. Read the book Real Time.